What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. This song is called Should Kissed You by Chris Brown. Alright, let's start. Okay, ready? So we start, remember, face front. Of course, we're not gonna face the back, face the front. Head tilt to your right, one, and chest down. And chest down. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, down, 3, and 4, down. So make sure you put it down at the back on the second part. Second one. Okay, again, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then go back. 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's try. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's continue. 1, 2, and 3. Catch on 4. This is 5. Chest 6, 7, 8, 1, clap on 2 from the top. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Chest 7, 8, 1, 2. Let's continue. So from here, 2, 3, shoulder, 4, close on 5, go back, 6, turn around, 7, 8, 10. So that's quick. Let's try from 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn, 7, 8, and let's continue. 8 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and this is out and the 8. That's it. Let's try from here. 2, just 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's do from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay. Continue from here. 7, 8. Here comes the beat. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, close. That's very quick. Let's try. Here comes the beat from boom. This is 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and let's do that faster. 6, 7, 8, boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 10. Good job. Almost. 7, 8. Let's continue. Back 1, 2, 3, and that 4. Away on 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Let's try from going back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So make sure you end up on 1. Continue. 2, 3, 4. Copy? 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Last 8 and continue. 1, 2, 3. Ta, ha, up, down, stop, and close. Let's put countings. I totally lost on that one. We start from here. 7, chest, boom. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, stop. 1. Yes! That's all the choreography. Let's start from the beginning. Are you ready? Ready? So 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 slowly and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 6 and 7. Here we go. Boom. 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Yeah! Good job! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, comments on my video. Okay? Also don't forget to press that notification bell for the future upload. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye bye.